Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will work with several paid objects: RSS Feed, Accordion Text, Flip Clock and Audio Player. Let's start from RSS Feed. I already bought this object. So here you can display news from the website RSS feed, news from blog RSS feed, and news from another website RSS feed. Let's see about website RSS feed and blog RSS feed. This is our blog. Pay attention for this post. Here we can see slideshow. I specify these images on Resource tab. In other post, I don't have any slideshow. Also, we have RSS feed. Here I have one post. So let's see our object and select RSS feed. Let's change some values. Let's change size. Now, if we look on this page in built-in browser, we won't see our blog because we need to upload our site on hosting or on local server. I will use local server. This is my site on local hosting, and here is our object. Now let's change display settings. Let's choose blog RSS. In this way, with the help of this object, you can display blog on main page. As you can see, we have 5 blog posts, and here we can see our slideshow. Here it is. We can change style. You can see preview in built-in browser without your RSS feed. Just simple text. Also, we can show news from another website RSS. Just specify RSS feed URL and export it. Here you can see our news feed. It's from my hosting, it's on Russian. So in this way you can display RSS feed from another site or from your site. Another object is Accordion Text. Here you can create up to 10 category. You can set title. It will be visible here. For example, like this. And you can enter description. It will be visible here. Let's see preview. It works just fine in built-in browser. Let's change some options. This object is responsive, so it will be good looking on every device. The next object is flip clock. There are three types. Timer. It shows my current time. It also responsive. We can disable seconds. The second type is countdown. I will set it for tomorrow. We can change language. I will leave like this. And the last one, numeric counter. Let's leave countdown. And move to other object. Let's work with audio player. We can set title. The image. Add MP3 files, just MP3. Let's change font size and max white. If we look in our Built-in browser, the sound won't play because we need to upload it to the hosting or on local server. Here is our audio player and it works. We can download this file or choose another file. It's also responsive. We can enable autoplay, but I think that's not very polite for users, so I won't do that. We can hide download button, change some styles, but I prefer this style. In the next video, we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you in site creation.